welcome back. Today we are continuing on with our effects tab here. So in the last video I went over how you can edit audio clips in Adobe Premiere without exporting it to Adobe Auditions. So all of that we did under effects here. There's plenty of other useful things under this tab here. So generally you're going to find yourself in this edit screen when you are editing your video, and you have a lot of presets here on the lower left side which are very helpful. Audio kind of adjustments, effects, you have video effects, transitions, a lot of things here that are very useful, and that's generally what I use. But let's say I want to tweak something. I don't like the way the color in my video is looking. So again, for that we can hop over to the effects screen here, select the piece of video you want to edit, and you can click on Lumetri color. So again here, you can adjust how vibrant the video is. You can adjust the saturation. You know, let's say you want to have a certain part of your video in black and white. You can just snip that part of the clip, highlight it, and then you can go in and adjust the saturation. You know, if the color of the shadows off, let's say you want to change the color and the shadow, you can definitely change that. You can go in also and adjust the curves. I generally don't do this. It's a little bit too technical for my general use. But you can really get technical and make a lot of adjustments in here. Now what I recommend doing is going in there and just seeing if a video looks slightly off. Minor adjustments can make a world of difference in your video. So hop over to this tab here and under effects, Lumetri colors, and try tweaking around with it. You know, just make sure you don't save until you're happy with it. Go around, adjust the saturation. You can adjust the lighting a little bit, the white balance, the shadows, the contrast, and you can really make your videos pop. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you soon.